So hi guys, I'm Austin and this is After Infinity. And if you're here, the chances are you love me, you love my channel, you love the content that I create. And this is a chance that I could show my love, I could give you something. And it's been more than 1 year since I've started this channel, and I haven't announced any channel update till this point of time. So this is the first channel update that I'm announcing in this channel. And I just have to tell one thing to you guys, that's a change in the topic of the videos that I'm uploading in the near future. That's like, I'm just gonna turn from the tech videos to something like filming, cinematography, editing tips and tricks, presets, and LUT packs and all those things. No more, it doesn't mean that no more tech videos, it's not like that. Your tech videos are on the way, but I will try to upload contents related to those stuff like filmmaking and all. And that's pretty much it about the channel update. And I've got a new camera, I've got prime lens, I've got some small light setups, and that's it, nothing more to talk about it. So I'm here to just announce a giveaway that is the ultimate SAM folder pack, which isn't available anywhere. So you have got a LUT pack, a transition pack, and also a Lightroom preset pack. You've got 3 things, and this is an all-in-one pack, and you've got pretty much everything to edit like SAM folder. So that's pretty much it about the introduction. Now let's get into a PC and I'll show you guys how it actually works and how to import those presets and all those stuff. So before we jump into the PC, I just want to make sure that you guys do leave a like on this video, subscribe the channel, click on the bell button right next to it, because more awesome contents are coming soon. So let's jump into the PC. So once you are in your PC, I'll show you guys how to import those presets, use them on your images. So once you open Lightroom, you have got the tab over on the left top, you have got File, Edit, Develop, and all those things over here. You just have to select Edit from there and then select Preferences. From there you have to select this tab called Presets and then click on Show Lightroom Preset Folder. So a window opens up, you have to open up Lightroom over here, select Develop Presets, and you have got the folder. You just have to copy this folder and paste it over here. Here you have to paste it over there. So, and you have to restart your Lightroom. So once you're done with that, all your presets will be right here. So I just have got 5 images so that I could show you guys how these presets work. Just select an image and select the template or the preset that matches exactly to that image. As you could see, these presets could make a huge difference to your images. So you have got your SAM folder presets. You could just select any one of them, and you could also play with the adjustments over in the right side, because it does not match every images. There should be slight changes done. I've got some other images too, and let's look how these presets work. As you could see, this is a very simple method to give your images a magical touch of SAM folder, because all these presets could take your images to the next level. This is a great method that you could guys do, so that with just one click you could turn your images from something like this to this. So as you could see the difference, this is simply insane. And that's it about the Lightroom preset pack. Now let's jump into Premiere Pro for more tutorials. So next up, I'll be showing you guys how to use the LUTs which are included in this ultimate SAM folder pack. So to use them, all you have to do is to first import some clip. So in this case, I'm just using some sample videos, some stock videos. So this is a normal video without any color grading process done. So to do that, all you have to do is to just go to the color tab over here and then select the video, click on the look right here, and then select browse. So once you have got that into your folder, you have got these 5 LUTs, which is really useful to use for your videos. So you could just select any one of these LUTs and apply it to your video, and you could see how it works. You've got 5 LUTs, and you could see the difference of each one right here, and how cool the video is with the LUT and without the LUT. And as you could see, the teal and orange LUT works really great here. So you could play around with these LUTs, and of course I'm sure this is gonna really help you, because these LUTs really work, and this is awesome. So all you have to do is to play around with your LUTs, and this works on sort of all clips. So you could just play around with those 5 LUTs, and you could create amazing videos with this. And that's pretty much it about the LUT pack. So finally, let's take a look at how to use the preset pack that I have included in this. Here you have got 5 presets. Actually, you have got one free preset that you will have to add on all the clips. It's a basic preset. You have got the smooth slide down, you have got 3 slide transitions, and you have got 2 zoom transitions. So it's really simple to add and use these transitions on your clip. All you have to do is add 2 clips and just see how these clips could actually merge. And as you could see, these clips, these both are drawn shots, and these are just stock videos. And as you could see, the camera is moving forward, so a zoom in effect could actually work. So to add that, you have to zoom in the timeline, and you just have to find the center of the both clips and just press shift and the right arrow key to move 5 plus 1 frames to the right, and you will have to press on Ctrl K and split the video here. Once you're done with that, just go back to the middle and then just go 6 frames to the left and make a cut there. Just press Ctrl plus K. So you have got 2 basic clips which is gonna help the transition. And then next you have to go to the tab right here. So next you'll have to right click here and then select new item, and then you will have to select an adjustment layer. Click OK, and then just have to drag the adjustment layer over these 2 clips to the middle of that, and then cut the unwanted part right, and then cut the unwanted part right there, and you've got the adjustment layer right over it. So next you will have to add this zoom in effect to the adjustment layer. You will have to add this preset to the right clip over here, and then playing it back, as you could see, this actually works, and this is crazy. This effect is really crazy. And we have also got the zoom out transition. Just do the same for the zoom out transition to the adjustment layer and go with the free preset on the left clip, and it works. The same thing, zoom out and zoom in, it's cool. You have also got the slide in, slide down, slide left, and the slide right transitions over here. For those slide transition, it's of 20 frames. So instead of taking 6 frames on these clips, you will have to take 10 frames each. That's 10 frames to the right and 10 frames to the left. You'll have to add an adjustment layer over that. Just drag down the any of the slide effect and then put the preset on both left and right clips, and you're done. So now we have got the collection of the ultimate camcorder pack. You have got the transition pack, you have got the ultimate color grading LUTs, you have also got the Lightroom presets, and all this works perfectly. So you end up liking this video, you know what to do. Leave a like, subscribe the channel, click on the bell button so that you get notified each time I upload a video, and please don't forget to share this video. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you back in my next video. Till then.